Hello guys, I'm here in Quiapo in Golden Mosque. I searched this Golden Mosque in Google because my son asking me, Mom, check when is the Eid in Manila because the Eid in Egypt is on Monday. So I asked the Eid, when is the Eid in Manila? It's gonna be on April 1. So the Eid in Egypt is 31. That's why I'm here in a Golden Mosque. I searched this in Google and it's very near in Quiapo. And I met the one beautiful young lady. She's from Mahardika village in Taguig. In Bikutan.
Saudi Arabia.
So it's very nice to meet them all in our friend and brother and sister in Quiapo, Muslim in a Muslim area. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Ramadan Kareem, and for Ramadan Eid, Kul Sana and Tayyibin. Happy Eid to all Muslim brothers and sisters. Thanks for watching.
So world champion kasi Mohammed bin Abi. So ada Mohammed bin Abi world champion mura din competition siya ang bibigay na exhibition, mashallah. Isa pang world champion kasi Muhammad Asghar kasama sa Golden Globes. Apat na world guys na dito sa ating manakna di mashallah. Ang tuwa kasi Dato Khalid, masyaallah, sana nadatuan niya kaya sa kuwan, ba ako kung marwapin at tapos kasi sa istis. Yun naman ang isang guys natin at mga ako dahil siya ay first day siya sa Manado. Lahat ng mga guys na